All right, so I'm going to show you how to do transformations. Thought I'd start with a quick example. I'm going to use this one and see if we can recreate it. So I am on the desktop, but if you are on your phone, the only difference is you go to your profile and then to the menu in the top right corner. But on the desktop, I'm going to go straight into Studio. And then you can see up here, we're going to select transformation. There's also two different options here, but for the first example, I'm going to use library. And then again here, you have two options to pick from your library or upload. I already have these in here, so I'm going to pick Keep and Buddy as dogs. That's where I want to start. And then them as werewolves. So of course the premise is I want this to turn into this. So here we're going to add our prompt, which I already had made previously, and then select the provider. I'm going to use VO and then generate. All right, so it's done. Let's see what happened. Oh, wow. So very similar. I'm going to play it again. Definitely different from the first one. I like it. So if you want to save it, download here. All right. Let's continue from where we left off. If you remember, the last time I pasted my own prompt in here. I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to try the suggest prompt this time. All right, it's done. So now I'm going to try rerunning this with the suggested prompt. Okay. Again. All right, let's move on to generate with character. So I'm going to pick. And the difference here is we're just going to enter in prompts to generate the images. So I'm going to leave the one that was here and then decide what I want her to be. So, transforms into a mechanic dragon. Generate image. Okay, so these are the image generated. What I'm going to do now is, and from before, it suggests prompt. And I was just going to skim. That looks okay. Video's done. Not bad. Again, if you didn't like the way it turned out, you can rerun this or, of course, put in your own prompt. For the sake of this, I'm going to leave that. So I think we've covered transformation, so 2 different ways you can use it. Yeah.